In the driest place on Earth, garlic is grown like a factory line.
Launch sequence initiated. Drones stabilizing.
Confirmed. Survey pattern alpha engaged.
Pressure looks good on gauge 2. Okay, I'm logging the flow rate now.
Pressure reading on header 7 is stable.
Confirmed. The micromisters are fully synchronized with the valve timing.
The raised bed forming line is crucial for large-scale garlic cultivation. Synchronized machines
Scan complete. Pallet 4B routed to auger 2.
Confirmed. Moving the next one up.
Desert garlic starts with strict biosecurity. No shortcuts.
Check the firmness on these closely, especially the ones from crate 12.
Yes, calibrating the moisture meter now.
To thrive in the desert, every clove is coated in a food-safe protective treatment. This ensures clean throughput and optimal growth.
The robotic lifters ensure zero spillage, maximizing efficiency in this arid environment. The crew
Water is metered like fuel, every drop accounted for.
Flow rate is steady. Check the pressure gauge on header 4.
Pressure is stable. The sequence is running smoothly.
Here in the desert, biological controls are released by drone, a crucial step in sustainable garlic cultivation.
Check the moisture levels in Sector 4.
Levels are stable. Continuing inspection.
Check the flow rate on Sector 3.
Reading stable. We have full coverage.
To manage salinity, the beds are flushed, with water draining into stainless channels. The pumps then move the runoff to treatment tanks for reuse.
transfer and failure.
The sensors are reading optimal humidity levels. The cooling lines are fully operational.
Here in the monitoring tunnel, automated calipers and vision sensors ensure every bulb meets the precise sizing requirements before being crated for shipment.
Harvest is choreography, speed without damage.
The height is good. We can seal this one. All right, moving it out. Next bin coming through.
Here at the pre-cleaning station, the stainless steel screens knock off the soil, while hooded fans extract the dust. The intake hopper feeds the gentle elevator, where padded cups steadily lift the bulbs towards the air-clean lane.
Once trimmed, the bulbs continue forward, while the stems and roots are diverted for compost.
High-speed cameras analyze each bulb, with pneumatic arms swiftly directing them to premium or standard lanes.
Here in the desert facility, human precision meets industrial scale. These QC teams check, rotate.
Curing is where flavor and shelf life are engineered.
Humidity levels look stable at 65%.
Noted. I'm logging that now.
Moisture levels are stable at 75%.
Noted. Racking sample 57B.
Soft rotating brushes polish outer skins on moving belts. The camera tracks along brushes, spinning in rhythm. Loose skin flakes are vacuumed into sealed bins. In this barren desert facility, the netting line runs at a steady cadence, ensuring exact bulb counts before the bags are heat sealed.
Bay 42 is clear for retrieval. Confirm slotting of pallet 7A.
Confirmed. 7A slotted.
From desert rows to global shelves, without breaking the flow.
We need to expedite the next 3 crates on conveyor 4. Adjust schedule accordingly.
Confirmed. Inform staging area. Prioritize the desert route immediately.
Despite the harsh conditions of the barren desert, the garlic produced is exceptionally clean, a testament to the innovative farming methods.
One scan, backed by an entire desert factory system. The continuous loop ensures that the finished compost is immediately bagged and ready for the garlic fields.
Readings stabilizing on the primary sensor array now.
Acknowledged. Moving to the next station.
Initiating sequence test on the primary manifold.
Pressure holding steady. All systems green. Cycle complete.
Wind sensors trigger the Desert Storm Protocol. In synchronized motions, the rapid shielding deploys, ensuring
Zone 4 canopy height is below threshold.
Acknowledged. Increasing nitrogen flow to Sector 7.
Using the ultrasound tools, the team can identify micro leaks before they impact the yield, ensuring stable flow and zero downtime.
Green light on Gate 3.
Confirmed. Next pallet ready. A desert harvest, now a global shipment.
Okay, bring that pallet over to lane 3.
Copy that, moving it now.
We need more shade frames on conveyor 1.
The bolt fastening robots and lift rigs work in unison, erecting the massive shade supports. As the machines move in synchronized lanes, the new section connects seamlessly to the header manifolds, ensuring constant water flow. Connecting the farm and the plant, motion is synchronized across both worlds, ensuring peak efficiency.
The new membrane filters are exceeding projections.
Yes, the water quality is holding steady at 99% purity.
This is desert garlic, built for the world.
Depth check on Sector 4, we need another 2 centimeters down.
Confirmed, adjusting hydraulics now. Data looks good.
From sand to shelf, an entire industrial ecosystem.